Welcome to Math Nexus, where numbers speak and knowledge grows.
Look at the question. If a minus 1 upon a equal to 2, then show that a plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 8. As we have a minus 1 upon a equal to 2, now squaring both sides, a minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 2 whole square. This is equal to a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2 into a into 1 upon a is equal to 4. A and 1 upon a cancel. A square plus 1 upon a square minus 2 is equal to 4. A square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Now a plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. This is formula, and we have a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 6. Now put the value of a square plus 1 upon a square here, which is 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 rule. This is the answer of the question. Look at the question. Find the continued products of the following. First, a plus 1 into a minus 1 equal to a square plus 1. We can write a plus 1 into a minus 1 as a square minus 1 into a square plus 1. Again, we can write a power 4 minus 1. This is the answer of the question. Second, a plus b into a minus b into a square plus b square into a power 4 plus b power 4. A plus b into a minus b, we can write a square minus b square. Now a square plus b square and a power 4 b power 4. A square minus b square into a square plus b square, we can write a power 4 minus b power 4 into a power 4 plus b power 4. This is a minus b, this is a plus b. We can write again a power 8 minus b power 8. This is the answer of the question. Now question number 3. 2p plus 3q into 2p minus 3q into 4p plus 9q square, 16p power 4 plus 81q power 4. This can be written as a plus b into a minus b. We can write a square minus b square. It means 4p square minus 9q square. 4p square plus 9q square, 16p power 4, 81q power 4. Again, this is a minus b and this is a plus b. We can write a square minus b square. It means 16p power 4 minus 81q power 4 into 16p power 4 plus 81q power. Again, this is a minus b and this is a plus b. We can write 16 are 256 p power 8 minus 81 into 81, 6561 q power 8. This is the answer of the question.
Look at the question. Express 81p square minus 49q square as product of two terms. 81p square minus 49q square, we can write 9p whole square minus 7p whole square as a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This can be written as 9p minus 7q into 9p plus 7q. This is the answer of the question. Look at the question. Express each of the following as the difference of two squares. 3a plus b into 3a minus b. We can write 3a whole square minus b whole square as a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is equal to 3 3s are 9a square minus b square. This is the answer of the question. Question 2. 5a plus 3b into 5a minus 3b. This is equal to 5a whole square minus 3b whole square as a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This can be written as 5a square equal to 25a square minus 3b square equal to 9b square. This is the answer of the question. Similarly, question number 3. 2x plus 3y into 2x minus 3y. This can be written as 2x whole square minus 3y whole square as a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square, this is equal to 4x square minus 9y square. This is the answer of the question. Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious with Math Nexus.